Hi everyone and welcome to this video on cryptography and CTFs. In this video, we'll be talking about what cryptography is, why it's important in CTFs, and some of the most common types of cryptography challenges that you will encounter. Cryptography is the study of techniques for secure communication in the presence of third parties. It's used to protect sensitive information from being intercepted or read by unauthorized people. In CTFs, cryptography is often used to protect the flag, which is the secret code that you need to solve the challenge. CTF challenges that involve cryptography typically involve breaking ciphers or solving other cryptographic problems. Some of the most common types of cryptography challenges in CTFs include substitution ciphers. These ciphers replace each letter in a message with another letter according to a fixed rule. For example, the Caesar cipher replaces each letter with the letter that is 3 positions down the alphabet. Transposition ciphers. These ciphers rearrange the order of the letters in a message. For example, the rail fence cipher divides the message into rows and then writes the rows out in reverse order. Hash functions. These functions take a message as input and produce a fixed length output value called a hash. Hash functions are often used to verify the integrity of data, as it is very difficult to create two different messages with the same hash value. There are many resources available to help you learn about cryptography and solve cryptography challenges in CTF. Here are a few of my favorites. CryptoHack. This website offers a variety of interactive cryptography challenges, as well as tutorials and other resources. CTF Time. This website lists CTFs that are currently running, as well as past CTFs that you can solve for practice. The Art of Cryptography. This book is a classic introduction to cryptography. That's all for this video on cryptography and CTFs.